This video is going to show you how you can apply, layer and manipulate textures on your parts. In Colorway, you can assign graphics to individual parts of your DCI items. Then we'll look at how you can create a decal effect on your parts using graphics. Select the part you want to apply your graphics to. Over in the Materials tab, there is a Textures submenu. Select that and click the New Layer button. A file dialog appears, allowing you to select the graphic or folder of graphics you want to use. Once you've chosen the texture file, a new texture layer is created on the part, and the graphic will be automatically applied to your part in 3D UV space and multiply blending mode. If you want to change the assigned UV, you can use the drop down in the texture properties to apply your graphic to a different UV map or project it onto 2D screen space. You have some options to blend the texture with the surface below it, but in this case only normal is needed. Now you may want to manipulate your graphic so it appears in the correct position and scale. The quickest way to manipulate your graphic is with the texture widget tool. Just click on the part on the sheet and then click in the centre of your texture and you'll see the texture widget in the workspace. Make sure the correct texture layer is selected in the item tree when you do this. You might want to turn off tiling and use the Center Texture Here option if you're working with a logo or something that doesn't need to be repeated. You can rotate, scale and reposition your graphic using this tool. The tool is constrained to the highlighted part's edges. The handle turns red if it is moved outside this area. Once you're happy with the position of your graphic, you can click anywhere on the sheet to deselect the texture and drop the texture widget. If you need to tint the colour of your graphic, you can assign colour swatches to it. You might want to do this if the contrast between your part colour and the graphic isn't obvious enough. Just drag a colour from any of your palettes, hold your mouse over the part with the graphic, and select the texture layer from the context menu which appears. You can also drop the colour swatch directly onto the texture layer in the item tree, or on the texture cell in the dynamic table. Colorway also allows you to use your graphics as masks, so you can use a grayscale graphic with the glow and intensity sliders to create an embossed decal. First, apply your graphic as normal, then toggle Use Selected Layer as Coating Mask on. Colorway interprets white values as inside the mask and black values as outside the mask. From here, you can adjust the blur, glow and intensity sliders to create an embossed effect with your graphic.